Hello, ma'am. Good day. We're here to tackle about the 5 scenarios of weighing the market. There are 5 different scenarios.
First scenario is scenario A. The scenario highlights conflicts between maintaining agriculture as primary sources of employment and processing development through foreign investment in the rural states. Example, loss of agriculture job, increased urbanization, economic boats, food security concern. Next, A positive. More investments from foreign company may be boosts local economy. More job in the construction, real estate, business and service. Higher land value which means benefits landowner when selling their land. Negative. Loss of agriculture job affecting farmers and their family. Decreased food production which means lead to higher food price. Environmental damage. Loss of green space, flooding risks. Case by case. If the conversions include training program for farmers and establish development include harmful. If the development is done without considering local livelihood is become harmful. So my explanation is in case the slide highlight the importance of considering the local and economic impact on local community when planning land conversions or development project. Scenario B. This scenario illustrates globalization, e-commerce, where customer can buy food from anywhere in the world online platforms. Example, increased customer choice, support for international business, logic and shipping. Next scenario is scenario B, positive. Assist to global product with better quality of unique designs. Encourage global trend and culture exchange. Convenience of online shipping. Local business and Filipino seller lost customers. Additional shipping costs. The costume fits. Carbon footprint. Increase the way to long distance shipping. So case by case, if the product is not available, locally buying abroad is practical. If a similar product is available from local seller, supporting local business may be better. So my explanation is, in case the slide highlight the importance of balancing practically with supporting local economy when making processing decisions, suggest considering both the availability of product and the impact on local business. Scenario C. This scenario illustrates how economic crisis can impact food security and lead to government interventions through imports. Example, impact on local frame, supporting vulnerable populations, price stabilizations, addressing food shortage. Scenario C positive. Help land value which means benefits. Keep price stable and prevents inflations. Provide affordable rice to Filipino customers. Next, negative. Local rice farmer may struggle to compete with cheaper imported rice called weaken the local agriculture industry in the long run. Increase dependence on produce countries for food. Case by case, importing is necessary during shortage, but the government must still invest in helping local farmers become compete. So, explanation. In case the slides judges the important thing in the solution to immediately spot. It's crucial for the government to support local farmers to ensure long-term competency and reduce risk on import.
Okay, next is scenario D. Your father loses his job because a multinational corporation closed, but he can be rehired abroad if he relocates. So the scenario shows how globalization gives new opportunities but also new problems. When the multinational company closed, your father loses his job is negative effects. Pero tungod sa global companies, he can work abroad and earn more. However, kinahanglan ninyo mo face og family separations, gasto sa pagbalhin o possible job insecurity. So depende sa kontrata og stability, relocating can be good or risky. Scenario D, positive. He may gain a new job opportunity with possibly higher salary. Kanang makakuan man siya og kanang lain nga job o kanang mas higher pa iyahang salary sa previous niya nga job. Opportunity for global work experience. The family may benefit from higher remittances. Scenario D has also a negative effects. Emotional hardships from being separated from family. So usa jud ni siya sa kanang usa ka kuan sa kanang mo trabaho og layo ba kanang mabuwag sa pamilya, kanang kuan kanang homesick sila, kanang mingawon, then kuan cost of moving abroad may be high, kanang gasto jud if kanang moadto og kanang abroad manarbaho pod kanang sa iyahang tawag ani sa iyahang kanang mga papeles nga pangkuanon para makaadto sa iyang passport, sa iyang ticket and everything. Sa case by case is if the job abroad offers good contracts and support, relocating might be good. If relocation is risky or unstable, finding work locally is safer. So, scenario A. A global financial crisis affects your mother's investment funds for retirement. So, this situation shows how global financial crisis can affect even personal savings. So, your mother's retirement investments lose. So, this situation shows how global financial crisis can affect even personal savings. Your mother's retirement investment lose value, which is stressful. Pero if she waits some investment can recover, she may need to adjust her plans like delaying retirement or changing where she invests. Kung diversified ang iyahang funds, ang impact is smaller pero kung high risk, mas dako ang damage. The scenario E has positive effects. So, some investments may recover or grow later if she waits. Mo to ang gingon ganina. Scenario A has also negative effects. Her retirement money decreases, causing stress and financial insecurity. She might need to delay retirement. Investments may take a long time to recover. So, case by case, if the funds are diversified and the crisis is temporary, losses may be manageable. If most funds are high risk investments, the impact may be worse. Conclusion: globalization brings both opportunities and challenges depending on how each situation is managed. It can create jobs, improves access to goods, and support economic growth, but it can also harm local industries, affect livelihoods, and cause emotional or financial stress. Each scenario shows that the effects of globalizations are never purely good or bad. They depend on the choices made by individuals, communities, and government. Careful planning and balanced decision making are essential to ensure that globalization becomes beneficial rather than harmful. So, ang ang globalization na ay maayong epekto o dili maayong epekto makahatag ni og trabaho og opportunity pero maka-cause pod og problema sama sa pagkawala og income o stress sa pamilya. Depende depende sa pag-manage sa tao sa kanang community o kanang sa government. Kung tarong o gunahuna ang kuan sa pagdesisyon, mahimo nga mas maayo ang epekto sa globalization.